Welcome to Coder Station.
Hello guys, welcome to a new video series from Coder Station. We bring to you a 0 to advanced PHP course in which we aim to cover right from basic syntax to database operations, everything. In this video, we'll talk about what PHP is and what are we going to learn in this course. In today's video, we will explore some basic points about PHP, like what is PHP, features of PHP, basic practices for a PHP developer, and what is the future of PHP language. Starting, let us see why PHP is the future of web development. PHP is a powerful and versatile programming language that has become an essential tool for web developers around the world. Its ability to handle complex tasks quickly and efficiently makes it a perfect choice for developing dynamic websites and applications that can keep up with the demands of modern users. Moreover, it is behind nearly 80% of the web that you see. Several online platforms today are PHP based, such as Facebook, Yahoo, Wikipedia, etc. Let us begin with an overview of PHP language. PHP, which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, is a server-side scripting language that is used to create dynamic web pages. Its open source tools and fast running speed make it a preferred choice in almost every IT department area. It was originally developed in 1994 by Rasmus Ledroff as a set of common gateway interface scripts. The purpose of PHP is to allow web developers to create dynamic web pages quickly and easily. With PHP, developers can write code that interacts with database, generates dynamic content, and performs other complex tasks. Since then, it has evolved into a powerful and versatile language that is widely used for web development. PHP code is executed on the server side, which means that the web server processes the code and sends the result to the user's web browser. This allows for great flexibility and control over the content that is displayed to users. As we all know, there are plenty of languages to choose from and start developing. But let us see why PHP makes it for the perfect choice for a developer. Versatility. PHP is a versatile language that can be used for a variety of web development tasks. Flexibility. Its flexibility allows developers to create custom solutions that meet the unique needs of their client. Scalability. Scalability is another key advantage of PHP. Whether you are building a small website or a large-scale application, PHP can handle it all. Easy to use. Additionally, PHP is easy to use and learn, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced developers. Open source. As we all know, PHP is an open source language which is available for everyone to use and implement. Let's dive into the tools required to develop a PHP program. PHP. To get started with PHP, the first step is to set up a development environment. As we all know, any language we choose, we require an IDE to work with. This involves installing a web server such as Apache and a database server such as MySQL. Once these are installed, you can install PHP and start writing code. Writing basic PHP code involves understanding the syntax and structure of the language. PHP code is typically embedded within HTML, using opening and closing tags. Variables are declared using the $ symbol and functions are called using parentheses. These are some fundamentals of PHP which we will learn during the course. Simple programs can be written to output text or perform calculations. Now let us know what are some best practices to become a PHP developer. When it comes to PHP development, there are several best practices that developers should follow to ensure that their code is organized, secure, and optimized for performance. One important practice is to use consistent coding style. This makes the code easier to read and maintain, especially when working on projects with multiple developers. Another important practice is security. By implementing measures such as input validation, password hashing, and protection against SQL injection attacks. Lastly, let us see future of PHP. That is, some career insights of a PHP developer and what are the applications of PHP. If you enjoy coding and have a keen interest in website development, a career in PHP might be the chosen path for you. A PHP developer is a software developer who deals with the design, testing, and development of websites, applications, and programs using PHP. As the market for PHP experiences a hike, so does the demand for PHP developers. Applications of PHP include generating a dynamic page content, file operations, key-related programming, crude to advanced database operations, and most important, security, that is the encryption of data. Everything is provided in PHP language. So, PHP has driven the demand for development language year over year. Today, PHP is one of the top 5 in-demand programming languages. So let us begin this journey together and learn PHP programming here on Coder Station channel. Now I conclude this video. Hope it helps in gaining some insights about PHP language. Stay tuned for upcoming videos about PHP. Thank you.